have 5 minus 2 times 3x plus 4, and that is equal to negative 5.8. Okay, so I have 5, the negative 2 goes multiply inside the parentheses. I have minus 6x minus 8, and that is equal to minus 5.8. I can combine the 5 and the negative 8, so this will become negative 6x minus 3, and that is equal to minus 5.8. I can add 3 to both sides, so I can get rid of the 3, because my job is to isolate x. So adding 3 to both sides, then 3 minus 3 is 0. I'm left with minus 6x, which is equal to negative 2.8. And finally, I divide both sides by negative 6. And then that 6 cancel out. And finally, x will be equal to minus, I'm sorry, it will be minus right here as well, because I'm divided by minus 6 to each side, so that will become positive. So 2.8 divided by 6, it will be 0.4. Positive. Okay, moving on into D. Okay, so for the next one we have, oh, that's not it. We have 5 is equal to 1/3 times 2x plus 9 plus x over 3. Okay. So we have two x's right there. We're gonna fold the 1/3 inside the parentheses, and we're gonna add that to the x over 3. So I have 5 is equal to 2/3 of x plus 1/3 times 9 will give me simply 3, because 9 divided by 3 is 3. And that one plus x over 3. Okay, so this 3, I wanna get rid of it. So I'm gonna subtract minus 3 to both sides. So 3 minus 3 goes away. And then on this side I have 2, because 5 minus 3 is 2. And now I'm adding 2/3 of x plus x over 3, which is simply x. So x is equal to 2. You guys can see how that happens, because I have common denominators 3. 2x plus x is 3x, so it's 3x over 3, which is simply x. And the last problem, we have 3p plus 7 is equal to AP minus 13. Okay. Another way of thinking is moving things around and changing the sign as we do it. This 3p on this side is positive, so if I move it to the other side, it will be negative. So I'm going to copy the AP, and this, which is positive, moving to the other side will become negative. I have 7 right here, and I have minus 13 on the right side. If I move it to the left, it will become positive 13. It's the same as adding or subtracting the number from each side. So if I simplify this, it becomes 5p, and 13 plus 7 happens to be 20. Dividing both sides by 5, then p is equal to 4. Okay, so now we're down to f. For f, we have 4 times n plus 1 is equal to 6 minus 3n. Well, the 4 is going to go multiply inside the parentheses. This becomes 4m plus 4, and that's equal to 6 minus 3m. I can add 3m to both sides and subtract negative 4 to both sides, so I can get rid of this. So I'm adding 3m to both sides. At the same time, I'm subtracting 4, so I can get rid of this 4 right here. Okay. So 4, positive 4 with negative 4 will go away. If I combine these two, I'm left with 3m plus 4m, which is 7m. And then 3m negative with 3m positive goes away, and 6 minus 4 is simply 2. And divide both sides by 7, and m is equal to 2 over 7, since the 7's cancel out. So that is my final answer. Okay, so now we are down to h. Let's do h now. 6 minus m over 3 is